Welcome to this SAP demonstration video. Today we will be looking at how to improve print fidelity inside of SAP using OM Plus output management software from Plus Technologies. Many organizations rely on SAP to perform day-to-day operations of their business. Common business critical documents generated from SAP include bills of lading, packing lists, pallet manifests, proof of delivery, invoices, waybills, shipping labels, GHS labels, checks, work orders and bulletins, releases and manifests, and inspection forms. Quite often, these documents come in batches or waves and need to be bundled or packaged together for distribution in a specific sequence or order. Bottlenecks, interruptions, missing or duplicate documents, and slowdowns in the workflow process can be costly and time-consuming. The native printing utilities found in modern operating systems are not equipped to handle these various issues. Why is output management important? 30% of all business process failures are related to print issues. Up to 60% of help desk calls are print related. Output management can save up to 50% of system administration labor. Missing or delayed shipments can be expensive and cause customer concerns. Print downtime can impact productivity on the production line. OM Plus Delivery Manager was developed by Plus Technologies to handle the various complexities and challenges in the enterprise document delivery workflow. OM Plus Delivery Manager is an SAP BCXOM certified solution designed to seamlessly integrate and complement SAP ERP output. Delivery Manager ingests and manages the delivery of output requests from multiple SAP app servers as well as non-SAP servers. Delivery Manager increases reliability and scalability, confirming print occurs properly using bidirectional communications with the print devices and even inline barcode verifiers. In the case of print failures, automated actions such as failover and notification are invoked. OM Plus can report the printer and job back to the SAP system so SAP users can view the status from their SAP UI. OM Plus improves the performance of manufacturing, logistics, and transportation environments by reducing print errors, allowing for automated failover to another printer, printer load balancing to increase throughput, barcode printer management, document packet creation, manage the priority and time of print, and minimize the printer resupply cycle. The performance benefits of OM Plus include increased capacity and reliability, reduced print-related errors and issues, reduced administration and support, flexible streamlined output processes, enhanced security and compliance, automated document workflow, and gained insights into usage and cost. For more information or to schedule a proof of concept, please feel free to contact us by going to our contact page at www.plustechnologies.com/contact or call us at 877-899-7587 or outside the United States at 1-937-847-0614.